This problem asks us to evaluate an algebraic expression. And so the expression is 2x squared minus 6y squared plus 6. So just to review what that means, 2x squared means that I'm going to square the value of x, multiply it by itself, and then multiply that by 2. Then subtract whatever 6 times y squared is, and then finally add 6. Whenever we're evaluating an expression, I like to write the expression down again, but put parentheses in place of where the variables are. So that's what I'm doing first here. So in place of the x, I put parentheses. I'm putting parentheses in place of the y, and then plus 6. It's especially important if you've got some substitutions you're going to make that are negative. For example, up here, they want us to put in a negative 3 for x. So I'm putting the negative 3 in the first set of parentheses, and then a positive 3 in the second set. Now we've got just a typical arithmetic problem that involves orders of operations. And hopefully you remember in orders of operations, we're going to be doing the exponents first. So I'll do both of these exponents. Let's see, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. I'm going to leave the parentheses for this step because we want to make sure that when we're done, we're going to be multiplying by 2, and that won't look like a 29 there. Minus 6 times, and squaring 3, I also get a positive 9. Whoops, let me write that one in black there. So you can see in red, that's the result of squaring each of the numbers. The orders of operations, we do the squares first. Now we have multiplications and addition. So we're going to do the multiplications next. 2 times 9 is 18. And then you can either think of this as negative 6 times 9 or subtracting 6 times 9. Either way, you end up with minus 54. And then finally, plus 6. So the only thing left to do is to combine all of these. You can either say, well, I want to think of these two pluses together first. 18 plus 6 is 24, and then minus 54. So we've got 24 is positive, and 54, you're subtracting 54, so you can think of that as a negative 54. That will put us in the hole by 30, so the answer would be negative 30. So evaluating this expression simply means to substitute for the variables the numbers that they give you, and then go ahead and do orders of operations, and in this one we get negative 30.